I'm José Antonio Lazaro Espila. I'm a computer engineer, and I have been for more than 10 years working in banking industry, and I have been working in major retail banks like Banco Santander and ING. I'm always working in the credit risk departments, and I have been working as portfolio manager, developer, project manager. And on the other hand, I'm XRP on internet. XRP is how you read XRP in Spanish. And I'm a hobbyist XRPL user. I'm a UNL validator, an NFT creator, and I'm always trying to support the builder thing with small actions. This talk includes personal opinions and conclusions that probably not everyone agrees on, but I think this will help us to reflect on and mobilize us towards new ideas to improve our ecosystem. One of the hot topics this year has been grants, developments, and projects. I think in our ecosystem to be a plus 10 years old blockchain, I think we don't have a big number of developers. I think there are some causes. For example, the almost lack of programmability of the ledger, and our coders are not able sometimes to make some money. And we have difficulties to promote the blockchain enough to attract new developers. Many of the projects that sometimes ask for a grant, when they finish the project, it ends in a box, and we or no one ends work using these projects. Also, I have these powerful sentences that a project may not need a grant, but a grant should not be an excuse for a project. Projects and developers complain that it's not easy for them get some investments, and it's not easy for them to obtain it. We have to stop doing the same. For example, where is a new core amended, we see, for example, 5, 6, 7 projects that they try to do the same. For example, it happened with the NFTs. We had a lot of NFT marketplaces. It happened again with the AMM, and it will happen again with the lending or whatever we will release. We have to stop focusing the core of the ledger and start to think what is around of the ledger. For example, I can share some examples that probably all agree that for being a 10 years old blockchain, we don't have many places to learn or train our skills. We don't have many places with good source of news, or it's not easy for small projects to flourish in the ecosystem. So maybe we should improve marketing and promotions businesses. What I can do for fix this? The truth is nothing. I have no money, I'm not a VC, but maybe I can do small actions. My idea is start the underground of the XRP Ledger, and XRP.Love tries to unify these ideas, which I want to support the ecosystem from the underground. This talk is called Building from the Block, because I want to do an analogy with the working class neighborhoods, where it's not also money, but there are a lot of class consensus, people mobilizing and can achieve great things. I can help to change the mindset of the ecosystem starting from the underground with hobbyists. But I want to do things that change the paradigm. What I suggest is no more free work for the hobbyist, and everyone who is working in projects in XRP.Love is going to be paid. So these people start to come in, and more hobbyists will make more things, and probably in the future, some of them they become professionals. And also in my spare time, I can identify needs in the ecosystem and request for financial support from other users and develop tools for everyone. That is what XRP.Love is. It's a place for everything you can be done in the underground of the ecosystem. But there are, at the moment, two golden rules. The idea must be financially supported by users or third parties. And the second one is everyone involved in the project is compensated, except me. I don't want... No, this is a good point because I don't want to have some influence on what projects we are working, and I don't want to get into any public problem. So I think it's okay. Maybe one day I burn out and quit, but I think it's the best for the project. As I told you, the business models are very easy. One is provide developments, tools, services for the ecosystem through crowdfunding. And the other one is provide services or build solutions for third parties. And with the profits developing this, it will be invested in new developments for the ecosystem. Is it working? This is the $1 million question. It seems to be yes. We released the last week our first project. It's called XRPL Buddy. It's a Discord bot that allows you to interact with the XRP Ledger, just writing easy commands in Discord chat. You can import this bot to your server. If you have XRP community or NFT collection community in Discord, you can add it for free, and your users will be able to interact with the XRP Ledger. Almost every functionality of the Ledger has been included. You can interact with the AMM, you can mint NFTs, you can send XRP or any token, you can create checks, escrows, and add and modify trust lines, for example. And it's included in, it's available in XRPL.buddy.cat, and you can check the documentation or try the beta also. That includes new developments that they are not in the final version. How does it work? It's pretty easy, straightforward. You just provide easy commands, like, for example, if I want to try to send XRP or a token or NFT, just write /send XRP. I put the destination of the user of that Discord server and the amount. I just push enter, and this transaction will be generated. As you can see, for example, for trust line, it will be easy also. That is, trust line, add currency, issuer, and the amount. And is it safe? It is. Thank you for Shaman, all the technology they deploy and we can use. We have this security barrier, and when you try to generate a transaction, you only need to scan the QR that is replied by the bot, and you will verify your transaction before sending it in your phone. I recommend everyone in the room, and not only in the bot, but in the real life, to check always in Shaman or other wallet your transaction. It's only 5 seconds, and maybe will save you from some scary moment. So I want to thank you, the Shaman team, for this technology, because it's helping a lot of us to making easier our work. Who is involved in this project? It's Shift, that has been around us this event, but he had to leave to take his plane back to home. He is a hobbyist XRPL developer that he is always open to lend a hand in the Discord of developers in XRPL. He already developed some bots for Solana and XRP Ledger. I proposed him this idea because I need a hand to start and finish this project. And all the crowdfunding, it will be sent to him. And he take the money he decides and pay the cost of every cost for the project. For example, if we need to pay a domain or we pay IPA services, whatever, the crowdfunding is supporting this. Also, it's me that I help to code and create the documentation, and also 200 people that donate money for this project that I want to say thank you for everyone, because it's super awesome that 200 people lend a hand. I will explain this journey. It was a fun one. What we did is just announce the project on internet, and we create an NFT collection that is called Little Ledgers. It's the monster you see in the slide. And for 3 XRP, you were able to buy one or more than one, and this money we get, it's sent to the crowdfunding wallet. I want to thank you, XRP Cafe, because they allow us to have a minting page, and I'm very happy that they get involved. We also create some t-shirts with the logo of XRP.Love, and the money we get from the sales is sent to the project also. After having some money, we develop the code, and after some nights without sleeping, we start the test. We create a very big battery of tests. I recommend always test your code, please. And when everything looks fine, we release our beta version for the people who help us, because I think it's good for the supporters feel reward that they are the first one who can try our projects. And after some feedback from our beta users, we released the final version the last week. And we also create a big raffle of t-shirts for everyone that was involved donating money. So I think it's a way to reward these users. Next project, it's already finished. It's a sticker faucet. It's an idea that, as I told you, wait a second. I cannot rent a billboard. I cannot rent a space in the subway. So I thought that the marketing of the underground are the stickers. The stickers can be put in every laptop, in a wall, in the streets. And what I think is the best option for anyone who wants to start a conversation between strangers or introduce some image in the culture of developers or people around the ecosystem. And also, I want to say thank you to some of our supporters, because the idea of the sticker faucet is creating this collection of stickers where a lot of people was involved and sent to us their designs, and we pay them for these designs. And what we did is put in package, and they will be sent to other XRPL users that they want to receive the packages. And the point here is some of our supporters can add their stickers. What I mean with this is, if you, for example, have a business or a project you want to promote, you ask us to print some stickers, and we will provide in our packages your stickers and some flyers if you want to add it, some flyers with information of your project. So I think it's a good idea to promote your businesses in this way, and you will help us to send the packages, to pay the designers, and everything. What the future plans for XRP.Love? We are looking for new ideas to develop with small budgets. We are looking for hobbyists interested in participating in these projects. And we are keep studying and understanding the flows of our ecosystem where we can provide small actions. Why should you join us? There is nothing cooler than the underground. So I think you will enjoy, because you will meet other hobbyists, you will learn from them, You will be able to create a portfolio that probably helps you to get your new job or maybe ask for a grant in any of the options you have. XRP.Love will pay for your time, and you will be recognized by the community. And if you don't want to build, you can always support us donating your XRP. So thank you so much for your time. I don't know if anyone has any question. Wow.
Yes, sir. I have one question. Great initiative, awesome that you do this. How can companies support XRPL.Love?
They can contact us through our Twitter account or mail, and they only have to text us or contact us, and if they want to provide any help in any way, it can be XRP or, I don't know, support with some technology, we are always open to talk with them.